Good afternoon, David. I finished repairing your antique Eckhart musical rotating Christmas tree stand, and I thought I would make a quick video to show you how everything works. So as you know, you switch this lever, and sitting next to the endless screw is a little wire, and when you switch this lever, that removes the wire and allows the mechanism to spin. You slide this lever, and that's going to engage this gear onto the gear of the musical mechanism. No squeaks, all the dampers are working as they should. And then if you slide this lever back, that'll disengage it. I'll do it at the end of the song. Now what's also interesting is this little knob right here. So, bear with me. See this little brass tab. It's rather simple, rather crude, but it serves a purpose. So if you pull this up, give it a little rotate. Now if you notice, that tab holds this gear up, which means it's not engaging this gear, so your tree does not rotate, if you decide that's what you want. And then if you want to rotate, if you want the tree to rotate again, you press down. You need to give it a little wiggle, and then it'll slide down. There's a tiny little T-bar there, and then there is a groove, on the bottom of the gear shaft that allows it to slide down and engage. So again, you pull it up, disengaged. Now you can see the T-bar rotating around there. Slide it down, and that'll engage again. Engage the music. Disengage, slide the lever, and that tiny wire will now push against the endless screw and stop it. I just thought it would be wise to make a video that somewhere down the road this will need to be serviced again, and if you understand how this works, whether it's yourself or your heirs, you don't need to send it back to me to do anything. Take care.